Nah.
Bro, what are you doing? He keeps on throwing that shit to me. Chill, bro. Ooh, that thing has nice. You look like Bob Marley. Wait, stay right there. Tell me if you can get it. So Israel's coming, and then me and him, we're gonna put this out. I'm gonna call it this intro, right? And then you guys already know where we're gonna put. Hola. Backwards. Omar. Israel, upside down. Go up, and then we're gonna have to ride on the side of the highway, like yeah. So you know, all the way over there, where they're getting down. Yeah. We're gonna have to end up over there. So we're gonna have to, like, you know, what the cars are going 60 miles an hour.
We can't go there.
Yes, we can.
How the fuck are we gonna go there?
I mean. Are you gonna go pet it or what? Are you gonna go pet it? Huh? Oh, it's right there. It's just angry.
You go straight or left?
Left. Only if I could. Like, if you don't know, right? So me and him, we're gonna do a trip, right? Me and Israel, so we're gonna go to this park, right? Which is Herman Brown Park. You know the park that we told you a long time ago to come with us, but you said no. Your dad didn't let you. So me and him, right? We were gonna come back, right? So we did this like 10-mile trip. And then as we see coming back, I'm like, Israel, come on, hurry up. And then I see him, and he's like having trouble getting his bike up onto the sidewalk. And all I see is Israel and then the semi truck from behind, and it was like a bigger truck, right? Yeah. And all I see him is getting his bike up, and the dust like flowing up to his ass and his face. He was almost gonna get ran over if the guy didn't see him.
I mean, I would have survived.
Yep. Oh fuck, wait, fuck! Okay, let's go. That's it. We're gonna have to chill over there. Alright, cars. Oh fuck, let's do it already. Go, go, go. Fuck it. We're just gonna leave him. Go! So, we made it. We're in Dairy Queens. Back home.
Yeah, let's go back.
You're tired?
Yep. I mean, what else can we do back at my house?
I don't know.
What did he say? It's not free. We gotta pay for it. We don't have money. We ran away.
Let's play Pokemon Go.
He's trying to bike, man.
Boy, if a homeless guy came, he could get free water.
Free water?
In case we're homeless, we know where to go now.
Huh?
If we're homeless, we know where to go now.
Oh my! Chill! Nah, that's what you call a Daredevil right there.
You got beat the man.
Huh? Huh? Yeah. Israel, homeless. Oh, look, he's gonna be homeless. Huh? Homeless. Where's your phone? Huh? Stop logging up loud, you life, like, I'm homeless, I'm here.
See the cup?
I am recording. I mean, they did good when what's it called, last?
Water park right here.
Where do we go to a water park this summer? Whoa, chill. So what are we gonna go see?
The new Mean Girls movie. We're gonna go to the new Mean Girls movie, not
Not the look.
the old.
Yes, sir. How's the movie? How's the movie? Yeah. Alright. So we already left the movie theater. Couldn't record.